This is a Sheikh Zayed Festival Abu Dhabi 2024 starting in Al Wathba. There is more important things, the old things, all kind of Arabic culture and traditional things is there. The old people, women and men and children and more people going to watch and see and get to picture. This Arabic culture is very old things has before to remind to your nation the Arabic every years in winter season. Now you see the woman is making with meta plant from the dates, leaves, old, dry, and then also have plastic same size to colorful basket and made and others hook and other things to making with by hands. I see there the festival Mela yani for call to Arabic Marjan. This is very important and very fantastic and beautiful place to you making with wood and also with making old dates, woods and dates, more big woods like same your hog and huts and more of old culture things is available is there. Now I was showing the Arabic people his other side to dancing and singing, and this is a old wood making some things. Maybe I know this one in comment the name like comment box and also tell me the something is for me is new because I'm before I am not see. Now I seeing and you see the people is dancing with drums and drumstick and other music melody and drums to beating and dancing and enjoy the all people coming in camera and also with watching all things is there. This is the Wathba Abu Dhabi Sheikh Zayed Festival before beginning the starting 2004 and the starting of the UAE and Abu Dhabi, and also the Marjan in Grubble village and other places more important for winter season. His people coming and enjoy in sitting and drinking. Also the gahwa is Arabic coffee like see you stick how to running with hand. This is Arabic old culture is like his name is Ezran. This stick his name all people has old. This was taking the Arabic nation, and also I show you the other things in skirt and people other making and with by hand and to show your culture. Now you see the old police dress with old gun and other things is showing your culture to world. I hope you see this video and comment me you like same video. If you like this video, please to subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification for all and new latest video. I all UAE in the world and rural life in Balochistan and also the other kinds of world I show and bring for you. This is the stick original dance with song and people drum beating and other people to singing and other people to duetting the song with Arabic. This is very important a sweet songs to winter season. People also singing with the festival show. I hope this song before you don't listen. If people is listening the new this song, please comment me in the comment box. This is the Sheikh Zayed Festival in Abu Dhabi. I hope this video is very important for all my viewers and my subscriber to watch. I hope you waiting for next video. I capture the whole show and there are more important video for you. Please waiting for new video. Also I am bring for you new latest video Arabic culture show and Arabic culture things and all traditional and positional and nation of Arab, showing you quality video also for my YouTube channel Daily Hamsafar K. If you like and subscribe to share to other people the Arabic culture thing. Now you see the old wheel making with some drum and basket to with ropes and put inside the give water to take out. The next video waiting for leave it me now. Daily Hamsafar. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Goodbye.